Welcome. What I'm going to do is show you how to set up a basic Tor website. This is just to show you how to set up a .onion website, not really how to lock it down and completely secure it. This is a quick step guide. So I'm going to show you how to do this on DigitalOcean. And what I'm going to do is start off with a one-click app. And I'm going to just get a simple LAMP server and go ahead and just launch the lowest common denominator. All right. So I'm just going to call this Tor Quick Start. I'm going to create my droplet. I've got my private SSH key, so only I can log in there. There's some of my droplets. Feel free to skip ahead a little bit here. So it's provisioning the droplet and it's assigning me an IP address. Okay, there we go. There's my IP address. So I'm going to show you really quick. Well, it's supposed to work. Maybe it's still provisioning it. There we go. Okay. So there's my droplet. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to SSH in. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. There we go. Now I can update everything, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to get Tor started. Sudo apt-get install Tor. Okay, there we go. So while that's working, I'm going to go ahead and bring this up here. Tor run onion site. So here's how to run a hidden service. Here's the documentation here. So I'm going to show you. So what I'm going to do is find iname Tor. All right, there we go. So I'm going to do change directory, etc. Tor sudo nano Tor. All right, so what I'm going to do here, let me zoom in here. So I'm going to, so you guys can see, is I'm going to go down here midway through the config file, and here's the section for setting up a location hidden service. There's things you can do to make the domain name a little bit of a domain name hack, like Andrew something, but that requires some hashing. That's not something I'm too familiar with, but I'm just going to show you how to set this up with your basic settings here. Again, my goal is not security here. It's just to show you the concept. So I'm going to uncomment these, the hidden service directory and then the hidden service port. So what's going to happen here is I'm going to close it, save that. I'm going to close this. Well, I'm going to save this, and then I'm going to reload the this Tor service on my droplet, and then this should config a .onion website for me, and I'll show you. Sudo service Tor restart. Okay. All right, so I'm going to change. So I'm going to see what site it configured for me. And hidden services. So here's my full directory, just so you know. var lib tor hidden service. So I'm going to do nano host name. And here's my onion site. So beforehand, this is just some random domain. So let me start up Tor here. hey, there's my website. Of course, it'd be better if I could do some kind of a splash page. So let me do that really quick here. So let me close this. Change directory var, www, html, remove index, and touch index.html, and nano index. So I'm just going to make this a h1, h1, my basic Tor site. Let's see if that works. Hey, there you go. All right, so in summary though, this is a basic Tor website. You need to configure this so your website's still not accessible through the standard HTTP protocols and only accessible through Tor. That's not for this tutorial, but this just shows you the concept. I hope this helps.